Welcome to Software Media TV, your online source for software reviews, tutorials, and guides. My name is Kevin Smith. I'm one of the Microsoft certified professionals here at SoftwareMedia.com, and today I'm going to be going over the most popular Microsoft licensing option, which is called Open Business. So what are some of the advantages of Microsoft Open Business, and why might that be the best choice for your company? Well, first of all, Open Business is the simplest Microsoft licensing option. You just pay for the software you need, you own the software, you don't have to worry about any contracts or future obligations. You pay for it once and it's yours to keep. It's also very convenient. If you have a lot of computers, a lot of desktops that you need to license something like Microsoft Office on, say you want to buy 50 copies of Microsoft Office Standard, well, you don't want to run around to all 50 of those computers and manage 50 different product keys and manage a spreadsheet and all of that. So Microsoft Open Business will simplify that for your IT department. Basically, you're issued one license. Let's say you bought 50 copies of the Office Standard. Now, all 50 copies would use the exact same product key. And you're able to manage these licenses online through Microsoft's Volume Licensing Service Center website. This website will let you log in. You can see how many licenses of different Office products or Windows Server products you have currently activated. You can get your keys and downloads right there. Now, the Volume Licensing Service Center is also very handy for downgrading to prior editions of software. So let's say you want to move to SQL Server 2008 R2 in the future, but your systems aren't quite there yet. Well, if you buy through Open Business, you get downgrade rights to prior editions. So you can log onto the VLSC, you can pull up your product keys and downloads for SQL Server 2005, let's say. And then a year down the road, when your systems are ready to move to the 2008 version, you're already licensed for it, you already have those keys available, so it's ready to go. There's two ways to buy Microsoft Open Business licenses. The first and most popular is just to buy the software by itself. The second option would be to buy the software with a 2-year term of software assurance. Now, the software assurance will protect your software for the next 2 years, giving you free upgrades and updates to the latest Microsoft software, in addition to giving you benefits like additional technical support from Microsoft, training for your employees, and home use rights, which will let them use programs like Microsoft Office outside of the corporate environment to do the same tasks, all under the one software assurance license. So now that you've decided that you want to purchase Open Business licenses, where do you go from here? Well, you can log on to SoftwareMedia.com. We list every single Microsoft part number through the Open Business program on our website. So you can see the costs of owning just the software by itself. You can see the cost of adding the 2 years of software assurance. And you can see all of our prices right there. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at our 800 number on our website. We have Microsoft certified specialists standing by. They'll be happy to answer any questions you might have about any of the Microsoft licensing programs. And we also have our licensing price match guarantee. If you see a lower price anywhere else on the web, give us a call. We'll be happy to put together a quote for you. We'll price match anyone else out there. We stand by that. Again, my name's Kevin. I'm with SoftwareMedia.com. This has been Microsoft Open Business Licensing. We'll see you next time.